You've probably seen these AI POV videos going viral on TikTok, YouTube and Instagram. They are everywhere, and for a good reason. These videos don't just entertain, they pull you in, making you feel like you're experiencing the world through the eyes of a superhero, a time traveler, or even experiencing historical events. And the best part, these videos aren't just ranking up millions of views, they are highly profitable. So if you have been looking for a way to break into the AI video trend, this is it. Sometimes creating these videos takes a lot of time. You have to generate high quality AI images, animate them, edit them together, and add the right voiceover and effect. For most people, that's hours, if not days of work for a single video. But what if I told you there's a way to do this in just few minutes? This AI powered tool is an absolute game changer. It automates the entire process: image generation, animation and video editing, all with just a few clicks. No complex software, just instant professional looking AI POV videos in few minutes. In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to use AI to create viral AI POV videos step by step. I will walk you through the entire process, so make sure you watch until the end, because every step is crucial for this video creation. Now let's dive in. So to do this, the first thing we are going to do is to head over to our ChatGPT. Now once you come over to your ChatGPT, you're going to ask ChatGPT to generate a prompt for all these historical POV shots. So I'll go ahead and paste mine, then I'll click over here and generate. So you can see over here, you can see the prompt that it generated for us. So what I can do over here is I'm going to come over to this first prompt and I'll copy this, Ctrl C, then I'll come over here and paste it. What I'm going to tell it is give me a detailed prompt for an image generation. Okay, so you can see the prompt over here. So the next step we're going to do is we're going to need a prompt which we are going to give the AI to while it's generating our video. So I'm just going to come here and paste this, then I'll send this to it. So you can see the prompt over here. You can see the prompt it gave us, and you can see the negative prompt too. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to head over to Clean AI. Now we're going to make use of Clean AI for this. If this is your first time, you can just go over here and create an account. You can sign in. Now once you're done signing in, it's going to bring up this page for you, so you can clean this. What we're going to do over here, we're going to just go quickly answer all this question. Then we come over here to image. Now this is the free version. Every day you're given 166 tokens for free to try. Okay, so now we're going to create the image for this. So I'll come over here, I'll go back to my ChatGPT, then I'm going to copy this first prompt ChatGPT gave us, which is for the image. So I'm just going to copy this. Now once you have copied it, you can go over to Clean AI and paste the prompt over here. Now you see this page for reference is if you have a video you want to copy, you can also drop the video here with your prompt together. It's going to create something marvelous. Okay, so now we're going to come over here for the setting. This setting is going to be 9:16 due to its a YouTube short video. Okay, so we're going to come over here and click on generate. Okay, you can see it showed try a different prompt. So we are going to go back to ChatGPT. Since Clean AI didn't accept that, we are going to come over here and pick a different prompt altogether. Okay, so we're going to copy this and paste here, then tell it to give us so we're going to click this and you can see AI has generated this. So we're going to copy this prompt, come over to our clean AI and paste it, then we're going to generate, and you can see it approved this prompt. You can see right away it's generating the image for us. So you're just going to give it some minutes and it's going to be done. So you can see over here, you can see that this one is the one that actually looks like a POV shot. So I'm just going to quickly download this. Then we're going to come back. We are not going to only do this, we're going to come back to get another prompt. Now what we're going to do, you can see there are many prompts here. Your parents saying goodbye to your child, you can see. So we're just going to come and copy this prompt. Okay, then paste over here, generate a prompt. Okay, so you can copy this and come here. We're going to erase this one and replace this, and you generate this. So you can see it, I've approved it, so we're going to wait a bit. Okay, so once you're done generating the images, you can just come over here to AI videos. Now what we're going to do is we're going to drop the image you generated, and you can see it's loading. The image is loading over here. Now here you can see prompts. So what we're doing as we're waiting for the image, we're going to come over to ChatGPT and tell it to generate a prompt for Kling AI. You can see, okay, you can see this has given us the prompt for Kling AI. So we're just going to copy this, then come over here and we'll paste this over here. Then for the negative impact, so we're just going to click this down, come over here, and you are going to copy this negative and we'll head over here and paste it. Okay, so you can see it here. So what we're going to do next is click on generate. You can see what it generated over here. So you can quickly come over here and download this. Now you can also use ChatGPT to create your own POV shots. So you can just come over here. Let's use ChatGPT to create an image. So we'll come over here and copy this and tell it to create an image. Give us an image. So you can see ChatGPT is going to generate it for us. Now we'll tell it to resize it in the scale of 9 by 16 because this is not 9 by 16. Okay, so let's wait for this. Now you can see it have generated the image for us. I'll just quickly download this and we'll head over to Kling AI. Now I'm going to remove this image and drop this new one. Now we're going to erase this and come over here and tell it give us the prompt for Kling AI. We just come over here and copy this and we'll paste it over here. Then we'll go over to the negative impact. We'll copy this and we'll paste it, generate. So you can just come over here and download this. Okay, so now it's downloaded. What we are going to do next is to couple these two clips making use of CapCut. Okay, so I'm going to open CapCut. So after you have imported your video, you're just going to drag it to your timeline. Now you can see that this video is 10 seconds. So firstly, what we're going to do over here is we are going to increase this. You can see that we removed that clean AI watermark, so I will adjust this a bit. You come over to the second clip, you zoom it well. Okay, so now what is going to make this clip more interesting is if we can get a background sound of the train moving, a background sound of ambient train. So to do this, we are going to be making use of some websites. So let me come over here. You go over to Pixabay. Okay, many of you know Pixabay. So what we're going to do over here, we are going to come over to sound effects, then we type for ambient train. Okay, this sound is perfect, so we are going to download this sound. Okay, then you can just find ambient crowd sound, crowd noise. Okay, this is the perfect sound, so we are going to download this. Now go over to your CapCut. I'll come over here on my CapCut and I'll import those audios that we downloaded. So we are going to drag this to our timeline. I'm going to bring this one below and I'll try this. You can see that even the noise entered the second clip. So what I'm going to do is I will copy this and cut this out, come over here. I'm going to create some fading. Okay, come here and do the same thing. Come over here, do the same thing over here too. This is so that it's going to fade in and out, making it more enjoyable. Then I'll reduce the sound noise a bit. I'll come here and do the same thing, reduce it a bit. So what we're going to do next is to find a music that fits this environment. So you can also make use of some music on the CapCut, because of this is a tutorial video. But for a YouTube short, I advise you making use of a trending sound. So we can try many audios here. This is perfect, so we'll paste this over here. You can see that this suits it. So what we are going to do is to trim this and erase this. Come over here and we are going to drag this down. Come here and do the same thing, just the way I said for other clips. So let's hear this. You can see the both clip are sad. They are more sad. This girl that's crying because of her parents left her, and the clip of the woman looking outside with tension on her eye because of the crowd. Okay, so what we're going to do is just come over here, you quickly export your video.